Hi, we are Legality. Our product aims to use modern technology to allow people to create legally binding documents and contracts in a more convenient way compared to traditional mediums. I am Ali, and I am in charge of legal research for Legality.
My name is Ricky, and I focus on the graphic design aspects of our app development.
Hi, my name is Alberto, and I'm a computer scientist, and I will be focusing on the monetization model.
Hi, my name is James, and I work on software development and media relations for Team Legality.
An example for the inefficiency of traditional mediums is Ray. Ray is a young entrepreneur that has recently started an engineering solutions firm. According to Ray, it is very difficult to get a new business going. Including the workers, materials, and our workshop, I'm really struggling with legal issues. I can't afford it. And even if I could, I don't have the time to leave my team and wait in a lawyer's office for hours to get a simple NDA. So what's the problem? 1. The legal documents from traditional methods take too much time, which hurts the efficiency of smaller companies. 2. The price traditional mediums charge are way too high for smaller and developing companies to afford. And number 3 is that, due to how the legal system in the US works, the requirements for legally binding documents can change from state to state, which rehashes the first two problems.
Why do we care? Legality aims to bring legal costs down, thereby lowering the price to enter markets and increase competition, which will in turn push product development, giving the consumer a better product and the market a higher ceiling. So, the solution. At Legality, we use the convenience of modern-day technology to allow people to create legal binds and agreements for their businesses or contracts. First, your users will download the app onto their smartphone. Second, they will create a new form by choosing from Legality's numerous templates. Lastly, the user will answer predefined questions to suit their contract needs/situation and complete it with a signature. Our solution provides a societal impact through technology and how people deal with legal agreements.
Hello, my name is Chase Brown. This is my section of the presentation. I did the prototype. I will mention that there's actually a recording of a prototype later on after this presentation that we recorded and wanted to attach after, simply because it lasted too long. The amount of detail that we actually put into the prototype was pretty significant, so we couldn't really include it in the main presentation as it would actually extend over 5 minutes. But here we can see a little bit of it. We can see a little bit of like what the logo looks like on the application. We have the login, we'll create an account page here. Here we have the home dashboard of a new user. Since they don't have any documents, it will suggest for them to create their first agreement, and they can choose a template and all of that lovely stuff as well.
As we develop our product, we have surveyed various potential customers and provided them a prototype demo and surveyed them on what they thought of the user experience. Of these responses, some of note are that the app is very clean and easy to use, as well as it being a much more economic option than that of a law firm. Additionally, they stated the app clearly lays out the needed documents you need in order to run a business. Some of the room for improvement that was stated by these customers were that the app lacks a connection between the user and the app itself, which will be a venue where we can improve on further versions of this app. In terms of the competitive landscape for Legality, there are two main competitors, these being Rocket Lawyer and LegalZoom. Of all three, they all provide the ability to create, sign, and store documents, as well as providing a website. But what makes Legality stand out is the ability of having an app, as well as a free consultation with certified lawyers. And the thing that really stands out from the rest is our focus on user experience to provide a simplified process that you can complete your legal tasks all on your phone. In addition, here we can see our buyer utility map. And this chart provides a comparison between the current industry focus and what Legality offers. Some points of note being that Legality can be used anywhere with no external requirements, meaning that you can use it on your phone anywhere you want. As well as when you create a legal document through Legality, clients aren't required to keep a physical copy as we are storing them on our online database, which will be encrypted. As well, you can trust us to continuously update the app in order to squash some of the bugs that do arise.
To start the monetization model off, we focused on three major pillars for this, and it's reliability, flexibility, and frequency. Reliability means every purchase is guaranteed to be safe and reliable. Flexibility is allowing the consumer to pick the best option from a variety of options available, and frequency is influencing the consumer and guaranteeing legality is available whenever and wherever they're available. So moving on to the monetization model a little bit more, we want purchases to be fast and easy, but we also want it to be secure, so any information disclosed with legality will stay within legality. Onto flexibility, we wanted to offer based on consumer needs. So, for example, someone could buy a la carte or a single document, or they could also buy a product bundle, so a bunch of documents together, possibly at a discounted price. And finally, frequency. We wanted to offer a monthly premium service that will include features such as no ads when using legality, a personal chat with a lawyer, instant document signing, and free monthly documents furnished upon request. So our currently is going to be around $15,000, and it will currently cover the cost of paying software engineers and designers. It will also allow us for consultation with legal experts, but in exchange, it will be relatively low maintenance costs after the product is actually created. And in exchange for investment, a share in the company will also be given.